Welcome back to another tutorial. This time we'll be adding two other modes to our LED par. They are likely the same like some modes we did before, so we go through that very fast. And let's get started. We add the gdtf-Share. We log in. Go to the manufacturer, to our fixture, and now we clean up some of our old revisions. Okay, select the last one. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't want that. No, there it is, and now we can open it up in the Fixture-Builder. We go directly to the DMX tab and we minimize some of the old modes. I show you which two modes we will be adding. We will be adding the RRC2 mode, which is a 3-channel mode with RGB and white, and we will be adding the RR2D mode, which has 5 channels. It has a dimmer. The first one will get a virtual dimmer, and the second one will have its own dimmer. So let's get right back in here. So we add another mode, and it's called RRC2. Yes, that's right. And let's also add the other mode. It's called RR2D. Okay, so we have other two new modes. When we start with the RRC2, and what we will do is we will add RGB mixing to it, and we go through that quite fast because I think you watched the other videos and I don't have to explain that in too deep. If you haven't watched the other videos, I recommend to check them out. Color and RGB and blue. Okay. And as you see, if you have done this for a few times, you get quite fast in here. What? Okay, I've failed to create. Why? Oh, I already have the blue one. I need white. There it is. Okay. So there we are. Let me check something. Okay. So we have our 4 channels here, and what we now will do is set the highlight values. Oh, sorry, 255, and the default values should be at red at 255. Green also 255, blue also 255, and white we will stay with 0. At white we will also set the highlight value at 0, and at all the other three we will set that to 255. So if we highlight it, it will go up to white mix color without the white LED on. The last thing we can do is we add the emitters here. You do this in the channel function. So now everyone has an emitter. I think I forgot that in another mode. Let me check. There are the emitters, but I think in this one I forgot to set the emitters. Here I forgot them, and I will do that now. Red. Green. You don't need them for the fixture to work, but I think for to make it complete we should add it. So the last thing I would add is the virtual dimmer, and I would set it to beam dimmers right, and now we have to go up here, say that it's virtual, bring it above, and highlight value is 255. Default value is 0, that's right, and it should work with the Grandmaster. And then we have to add the relations. Virtual dim red. Okay. Add the next one. Virtual dim green. Sorry, virtual dim blue. And the last one is virtual dim white. Now we have set the virtual dimmer, and we are finished with this mode. Here you can see everything RGBW and a virtual dimmer which multiplies with all of the three colors. Now we go to the next mode, and there we have a real dimmer. We set at the first channel and we add the other ones quite fast. Colors, RGB, okay, beam, color, RGB, green, white, right, and beam, and color, and RGB blue. Okay, and then we will set the last one, color, RGB, and there's W. Okay, now we set our highlight values. Dimmer should go up to 255. It also should react to the Grandmaster, and its default DMX value should be 0. Then we have red. Highlight value should be 255. Not should react to the Grandmaster. Its default DMX value should be 255, and we have to add the emitter. Okay. Green should have a highlight value at 255. Not should react to the Grandmaster. Default DMX value should be 255. And we add the emitter. White, blue, 255, highlight value, DMX value 255 to get the white mix color. If you edit RGB with another, you get white mix color out of it. So blue, last one, yes, and then white, highlight value at 0. I want my default also at 0, so we only have the white mix color without the white LED, so I can start mixing colors without thinking of that I have to turn off the white LED. And the last thing is here, the white LED as emitter. And yes, we are finished. 2 more modes. We go to the summary. And here you can see we have a lot more things in here. So revision. Next we have 0.9. We have edit mode RRC2 and R2D. There you go. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.